Welcome back, my awesome friends. IQ Splash is here with another brain-boosting challenge. Today's game is Guess the Drink by the Emoji. We've got 20 rounds, and you'll have only 10 seconds to figure out each drink. Think you can name them all? Don't forget to subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always in the loop. And now let's jump into the fun. Kicking things off, can you guess the drink from these emojis? It's strawberry milk, sweet start. Which famous drink is this? That is Coca-Cola. Name that drink. Nice, iced tea is correct. What drink do these emojis point to? Cozy and delicious, it's hot chocolate. What drink is this emoji clue talking about? You got it, fruit punch. Which drink is this? Bubble tea. Boba fans knew this one instantly. Name the drink hidden by these emojis. It's Kool-Aid. Do these emojis ring a bell? The answer is Capri Sun. Which beverage do these emojis describe? Right on target, it's Dr. Pepper. Can you guess the drink from the clues? Sweet tea. Keep it rolling. Do you know which drink this is? Snapple. Another point for you. Hurry up. Which drink do these emojis reveal? That's 7-Up. Nice catch. What drink comes to mind when you see these emojis? It's orange juice, fresh and easy. How about this one? Mango milkshake, yum, what a treat. Can you name the drink before the clock hits 0? Hooray, Gatorade, you're crushing it. Can you guess this drink? Red Bull. Soft drink fans should know this one in no time. This one is Pepsi. Fantastic guess. This emojis hide a refreshing drink. Lemonade is the answer. So refreshing. Which drink do these emojis make you think of? Fanta, of course. What's your answer? We've got coconut water, tropical vibes.